Okay, it's video 2 on the T25 camper van. I've not had a chance to try the pop top yet, but it's one of the solid side ones. Moved it slightly. I think I said this in the last video, it moved to one side, so I need 2 people on that, get that sorted. It's got a name, we're calling it 11. We're going to rent it out, so there's a lot more to come on that yet. But today's video is just starting it basically. I've looked all over the engine bay. I've not done anything. I can see that it's all in order, everything's connected, whatever. The ATF gearbox fluid was pretty much empty. Not a good sign, but I've took the sump off, basically replaced the gasket and filter, and all looked clean. There was no muck in there. So hopefully it's just leaked out. Looking at the state of the sump gasket, etc., it's leaked out over the years, and that's all that's been passed on. Fingers crossed. So I'm just going to put some ATF fluid in it now, and give it a go, see if she starts. Okay, that's some life connected to it. Alhamdulillah, somebody's fitted LED USB there, so it's got 13.3 going in at the moment. That should do for about an hour, which give me a chance to put the ATF fluid in and give it a check over. Okay, so I found out it's pretty obvious on there. It's got Dextron on it, but doing a bit of googling, I found out it takes Dextron 2, which is the alternative. So I've got an empty gear oil container there, so I'll put a litre at a time in this and in. I think I'm going to have to Google it again. I think it's 2.2 cold to the bottom. Go on, no, it's not going to focus. Anyway, there's a small hash section on the bottom of the dipstick. Get it onto that. Yeah, just see it there, and then you've got the hot temperatures, the 2 dots a bit further up. Let's go for that. Also got 10 litres of fresh fuel. It seemed to be just in the red, so 10 litres of fresh fuel to get it going. I think I'll put that in after the battery charger's switched off. Okay, so I found on Club 1890, which looks like a forum for these, which I'll be joining, that it's 3 litres ATF, and the final drive diff is about 1.2. What I'll do with that is I'll take the diff plate off, drain it, clean, new gasket, and then just top it up until it comes out the drain hole. I'd imagine that's going to be 1.2, it normally is. Anyway, getting back to the ATF, just letting it drop in under gravity out the bottle. I've warmed it up a bit, so that'll be in soon, and then just squeeze the last bit in. I'll put just under 3 in and see if I manage to get it to the lower hash on the dipstick, and then there should be enough in there then to start it, and hopefully it moves and starts. That's the first one. Okay, that's the ATF in. We're in park. I'm just going to see if it'll start. If it goes, switch it off, and then make sure the oil is exactly right. Run it through the selector and go from there. Where? Liking this. Sounds like it's still on a bit of choke, but all good. Gotta be that. Okay, good news. 1, 2 dramas maybe. Don't know yet. Okay, starts, runs perfect, no issues, all good. Filled up with ATF, correct fluid, shifts between gears, no issue, absolutely takes up straight away. And then I'm finding a pool of oil underneath, and it's ATF mixed with the diff oil, so it stays here for now. There's the drama. So I don't know too much about these, hopefully somebody does, but I've ordered the Haynes manual and I'll do it myself. I'm thinking sealed between auto box, diff, somehow the ATF fluid's getting into the diff. Hopefully not vice versa, I doubt it. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching. Hopefully by next week I'll have a few updates on this as to where I'm at, what I can do. But anyway, not a major issue. If it's an oil seal, take one thing out, take two things out, clean and put it back in. Made that sound easy. Thanks for watching.